All right, now
Let's do this.
checking you out. Okay, it's gonna feel awesome. So we know your main issue is a shoulder thing, but when I'm working on you and like palpating, I do feel certain areas of stiffness. So the adjustment just puts the spine back in proper alignment, takes any pressure off the nerves. For example, everything that runs the shoulders and arms, all the nerves come out of your neck. So if we can make sure there's no compression on the neck, the nerves will flow 100%, help with the healing, okay?
Got it.
And I'm gonna do mid-back first, okay?
Got it.
And that's a little bit of a force on an exhale. So David, breathe in and out. And good, relax. Oh, nice, okay. I'm gonna angle your head down an inch, okay? I'm gonna go up here and do that again, okay? Breathe in again and out. Good, rest. No, not that. Great, this is a stretch. Things will adjust in here, okay? And breathe in, please. And out, please. Nice. Oh, yeah. Good with that?
Oh, it's amazing.
Good. Okay. This side too. Breathe in, please. And out, please. Good, here we go. Nice. Great. So far, so good?
Amazing.
Turn on your side, face me over here, full body. Put this pillow under your hip. There. Perfect. I'm gonna bend this leg. I'm gonna pull you here. Shift your body around. You okay? Here. I'm gonna bring you here a little bit. I'm gonna do low back, okay? Then do it on the exhale again. Breathe in and out. Great. First I'll stretch you. Nice. Breathe in again. And out. Good. And rest. Nice. Good. Other side, please. Good?
That's amazing.
Awesome. Better than what you thought?
Oh, way better than what I thought.
Did you think it was going to hurt?
I did.
Okay. You okay if I pull the shoulder? Doesn't hurt too much?
You're good.
Same thing this side. Breathe in, please. And out in. Nice. Lay it back.
I feel like I'm already in the parallel universe.
Bye, David.
Right.
Take me with you.
Definitely feel 20 years younger already.
Lift your head. Take it out your pillow. Okay. It does. It makes everything just better. I'm gonna do your mid back. We'll hug yourself here. Will it hurt if I do this pressure on your shoulder?
Okay.
Same thing. And when I roll you back, relax all your weight. It will not crush my hand. Breathe in and out. Rest. Oh!
Wow. Oh my god. Oh wow.
That'll take your breath away a little.
I've never felt that. Oh my gosh.
Is that okay?
It's amazing.
Okay, great. Okay. Well, let's do your head over here. You're doing good. Your neck's pretty good, actually. Yeah. Take it easy here. Okay, David, breathe in. And out. Rest. There we go. Isn't that crazy?
It's scary, crazy, amazing.
The neck's
all at
scary.
once.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Let me do your wrist